It's me, Game Jacker, and today I'm going to give you the complete guide on how to hack any Android game, online, offline, root, no root, tools, bots, mods, everything you can think of. The guide, including all the links, are going to be in the description down below. While you're there, leave a like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Number 1. The first method to try when trying to cheat in any Android game is HackFinder by HackerBot.net. This tool will allow you to find cheats for any game. Simply enter the name of your game, the kind of cheat you're looking for, and in the case of online games, the current version of the game. And download the best hacks, mods, and tools for any game on Android, easily, online and offline games included. You can find the tool by simply googling game hacks, going to HackerBot.net, and going to get hacks. After that, there are a few methods to try, such as using Lucky Patcher to create your own modded APKs, GameGuardian to modify your game memory in order to implement cheats manually, or creating your own APK mod, or editing save games. The tutorials are linked here in the link in the description. There is going to be a guide on how to create your own APK mods using tools such as APK Editor or APK Tool M and other tools. Then there's going to be also a tutorial on safe game editing, which is data modification using tools like Hack App Data or Cheat Droid that allow you to basically modify your temporary app data that other tools are unable to access. Then there's also going to be a tutorial on memory editing. The most popular memory editors for Android are, of course, stuff like GameHacker or GameGuardian. You can also use Cheat Engine on an emulator in order to do that as well. You can find that on HackerBot.net under tutorials, and then under Android you'll find the tutorial on how to use Cheat Engine on any Android game easily using an emulator. Of course, GameGuardian is the best memory editor so far for modifying values. If your game is an online game that stores the most important values such as money and gems on the online servers, then you're better off using HackerBot APK to do that. And of course, Lucky Patcher, which is able to patch games for free in-app purchases, disabling ads, and custom patches for game cheating very easily. No root required as well. So step number 1, using HackerBot. Step number 2, trying to create your own cheats. Step number 3, how to create your own bots. Bots are, of course, automated software that is able to play the game for you automatically, allowing you to farm essentially unlimited money over time and get unlimited resources, items, and other goodies for free. Now, this is usually done using some kind of script or macro recorder that allows you to record what you're doing on your device or on your emulator and then replay that back to create loops to essentially farm the game for missions and rewards, claiming dailies, claiming mission rewards, completing fights automatically forever. Now, while these bots are pretty difficult to set up, they are extremely efficient in the most grindy of MMOs and online games out there, such as your waifu collectors and gacha games. Step number 4, the top Android game cheating tools. Now, there is a lot of them. As you can see, 26 are on our list to date. Of course, there are a bunch that we have already covered, such as GameGuardian or HackerBot. There are also the APK modding tools that we've also discussed, Hack App Data, which is a safe game modding tool, bots, Cheat Droid, a whole bunch of them. Emulators are also a very important tool when it comes to cheating in Android games, as they allow you to not have to root your actual physical device. Also, a link to the best emulators to use there will be at the link in the description as well. Also, very powerful tools such as Jasi Patcher that I haven't mentioned yet, that is a very good alternative to Lucky Patcher. Virtual Space that allows you to use these game cheating apps without any root required. GameHacker, which is an old memory editor. And then, of course, the free purchase apps such as Freedom APK, Apsara, Leo Play Card, KreeHack, and so on. You can check out the top game cheating tools for Android at the link in the description as well. And as I've already mentioned, emulators are extremely powerful. They do not require you to root your actual Android device, and they also allow you to use macro recorders and other bot software for PC to bot your Android games. So also extremely powerful. The best rootable emulators in our opinion are Nox, which is very easy to root, very compatible with a lot of Android apps and games, and then BlueStacks, which is a little bit harder to root but very compatible with pretty much all games out there. And then LD Player, and last but not least, Mimu, very good. All of those are extremely highly recommended. It allows you to do your cheating more safely, allowing you to easily use a secondary account, a VPN, and also a rooted device that you cannot destroy because it's just a virtual machine. Step number 6, if your game is of course a shooter, then you can simply use HackerBot APK. And don't forget to find aimbots or wall hacks for your game. If it's a shooter, they are extremely powerful cheats and extremely available, especially if it's a very popular game out there. Step number 7, please follow our safe download guidelines. It's very difficult to download stuff and be 100% safe, even if you're using HackerBot APK or our HackerBot Finder tool. There is still a small chance that on some of these boards, some malicious actors may get through. Although they're extremely well moderated, they almost get rid of all of the malware out there. But it's still recommended that you use the safest practices out there, that you create alternative accounts to test your cheats, that you use an emulator, a rooted emulator first before using your actual Android device to test everything that you download, that you run it through an antivirus in order to be 100% safe, that it's not going to be any problem whatsoever. It's also important that you do your best effort to research the sources that you're using to download, that you read all the comments from all the people that have downloaded the app, and please, please, please do not be gullible. Don't just download the first thing you see on Google, because most of the things on Google that you'll see are fakes. Of course, step number 8, download HackerBot APK because it is the best tool for finding Android cheats, legitimate ones out there easily. And if you've ever used Google to find modded APKs or game cheats for mobile, you know that it's full of impossible cheats such as unlimited money for entirely online server-based games, where unlimited money is just simply impossible. And yeah, it's all fakes, it's all scams, there's a lot of malware as well. Back in the day, they used to just rank basically fake resource generators. At least now they are ranking fake modded APKs, but well, it's still fake. It still doesn't work. It still doesn't solve your problem. So we absolutely recommend that you go to hackerbot.net by Googling HackerBot. Go to the HackerBot icon right here and download HackerBot APK for Android to find cheats for any Android game very easily. Find legitimate downloads from the best providers out there and stay safe while doing so. That's it. That's the complete guide on how to cheat on Android in your favorite Android games. I hope this helps. If you've learned anything, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy game jacking content every week. I'll see you guys later. Game Jackera!